there. Every day we book something. Buy, rent, search. In general, modern life can't be imagined without the use of platforms that provide various services. What if all of this were on the blockchain? And all the services would be on the same platform. It's like in a smart home where you enter your personal account and get access to everything you need. Cool, yeah? The largest venues have long united all establishments in a particular industry. For example, Booking has united millions of hotels, hostels, apartments around the world. Uber has united drivers. In this video, I'll tell you about a project that will combine everything at once. A platform that positions itself as an aggregator of services, or rather it's an entire ecosystem that combines all vans, wheeler rentals, restaurant, clubs, tours, transport, and other online services for users and businesses and blockchain. Double Bubble is a global service, available in different languages, with a convenient control system that connects users and the service, making their integration as fast as comfortable. The platform positions three main USPs: ecosystem events, wheelers, restaurants, clubs, tours, and transport. Trend of the future: booking of hotels, ordering taxi, or food, and global services that have already united millions of organizations around the world. One platform, all in one place. This benefits people who would appreciate to find any service in one place. It's useful for organizations that, instead of marketing and a website, simply need to post Double Bubble. For users, the use is free, and for business, a small subscription. What's the trick? The trend of the future is global services that have already united millions of organizations around the world. Imagine that Double Bubble will always help and tell you where to go, what to see, where to eat. All events around you, any event displayed in real time. Here businesses can place advertisements and creative people can hold events and earn money. You can also rent wheelers, hotels, apartments, transport. For example, a yacht, a private jet, a helicopter, or just a sports car. What about all the restaurants in one place, which can be selected by reviews, sorted by rating, as well as they can be placed in order, paid the bill, and even called the server to the table. And for example, you don't eat red paper. Well, you don't like it. You came to the restaurant, scan the code, now have a button to call the server and the menu. You make an order, and the server says you don't eat red paper. Dishes where it's present will glow red. Now such features are available only in concierge services for very rich people. Thanks to the blockchain, all this will be simple and accessible to all users of the platform. By the way, you can study the features of each company, for example, a restaurant, hotel, etc. in virtual reality. This will allow you to evaluate the actual picture and make sure that it matches the description. Buying real estate, consulting a lawyer or psychologist, looking for a job as well as marketplace, all in one place. Business representatives can post their services on Double Bubble and use the built-in payment system for services. It's an effective advertisement that allows you to attract customers from the platform's vast user base. You'll manage your business account through a customizable admin panel, assign orders and pay. The developers made sure that the process is as fast as possible and doesn't carry any risk to the business. Okay, there are such services. Their value has long been proven by such companies as Booking, Uber, Airbnb, but progress doesn't stand still and new technologies are replacing the old ones. DB combined large-scale online booking services and blockchain technology. They implemented this on the Polkadot blockchain, which allows you to transfer any types of data, not just tokens. They solved the problem of decentralized service and users' devices around the world. The technology behind the protocol allows users to exchange verified information without disclosing it, or perform computations with a third party without disclosing the computation. The blockchain in principle helps to solve the problem with trust and performs a security function by signing each transaction and writing information to the block. For example, you are the owner of an apartment and there is a buyer. The system already knows who is who and the guarantor of the purchase without charging commissions, by the way, as services usually do. The business has already paid subscription fees to host there. In order to simplify financial transactions and avoid large commissions because of constant currency conversions on the international platform, the DBC token was introduced to the project. Built on top of the Polkadot substrate, it delivers a benefit to all the digital payments, including security and transparency. Payment transactions will be carrying out using smart contracts which have been proving their effectiveness for more than a year. Now there are closed sales, and then there will be rounds with funds and venture investors. The official sales will launch in 2022. The development of the project has been going on since 2019, but the pandemic has made its own adjustments, and in 2022 the founder of the company has changed a lot in the concept. In general, the guys have created a completely new ecosystem in which each user can become a part of the system, have the service, and earn money on it. Today it's not a secret for anyone. Now, in order to make money on cryptocurrency, for example, there is necessary expensive equipment. In Double Bubble, every device, even a smartphone, can become a part of the network and fulfill a specific role. Someone can become a validator, someone can provide disk space, thus each user becomes a part of a single mechanism and receives a reward for doing so. Summing up, we can safely say that Double Bubble is a service that comes to seize a leading position in decentralized products. Let's summarize. DB is a universal project for integrating services without analogs in the world. Blockchain system, smart contract and its own token providing simple, fast and secure transactions. Built-in VR system for an aim assessment of a product or services. Large marketplace for employers, ready-made customer base and customized payment and delivery options. Ease of use, user-friendly interface. Partners of the project will promote its popularization and receive remuneration for this. And the most important thing is the benefit for users and business. I'll follow the development of the project, so if you have any questions, you can ask the team. I'll leave a link to the Double Bubble in the description. Bye bye!